Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're jumping into Figma and I'm going to walk you through how to create clean, pixel-perfect icons from scratch. We'll focus on two classic examples, an X icon and a check mark, but more importantly, you'll learn the principles behind making any icon look sharp and professional. Let's start with something a lot of beginners skip, but it actually makes all the difference: grids. If you want your icons to look crisp instead of slightly off or blurry, you need structure. Think of a grid as your alignment guide. It helps you keep everything balanced and consistent. So go ahead and create a frame in Figma. With that frame selected, head over to the right-hand panel and enable a layout grid. For icons, smaller grids like 8px or 16px work really well. These increments keep your shapes aligned to pixel boundaries, which is exactly what you want for sharp rendering on screens. Now that your foundation is set, let's build the X icon. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a narrow vertical rectangle. This will act as one stroke of your X. Once you have it, duplicate it so you have two identical shapes. Next, rotate both rectangles, one around 45 degrees and the other around -45 degrees, so they cross each other. You'll start to see that X shape form. Use your grid to line everything up so the intersection feels centered and balanced. This is where zooming in helps, so you can fine-tune positioning. Once you're happy with the alignment, select both shapes and group them. Now you've got a single, clean icon. At this stage, you can adjust the thickness by resizing the rectangles or tweak the proportions slightly if it feels too heavy or too thin. Here's a small detail that makes a big difference: corner smoothing. With your shape selected, try adding a slight corner radius. Even a tiny value softens the edges just enough to make the icon feel more polished and modern instead of harsh and rigid. It's subtle, but it elevates the overall look. Now let's move on to the checkmark icon. Start by drawing a circle. This will act as the background. Fill it with a solid color for now. This step isn't required for all icons, but it's great for badges or success indicators where you want strong visual contrast. Next, grab the pen tool. Click once to set your starting point, then click again to create the first stroke of the check, and a third time to complete the second stroke. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. This part usually takes a bit of adjustment. Once the shape is there, switch to the stroke settings. Increase the stroke weight until it feels visually balanced inside the circle, then set the stroke caps and joins to round. This instantly makes your checkmark look smoother and more refined. You can also nudge the anchor point slightly to make sure the checkmark sits nicely within the circle. Use your grid again here. It helps keep everything centered and proportional. Now zoom out and take a look at both icons. This is an important step. Icons should look good both up close and at smaller sizes. If something feels off, it usually means a spacing or alignment issue, so go back in and tweak it. One extra tip: try to keep your strokes and spacing consistent across icons if you're building a set. That consistency is what makes a group of icons feel like a cohesive system rather than a random collection. And that's it. You've just created two clean, pixel-perfect icons in Figma while learning the fundamentals that apply to any icon design. It might feel a bit detailed at first, but once you get used to grids, alignment, and stroke control, the process becomes much faster and more intuitive. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've got questions or want feedback on your icons, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.